प्रदीप सर के बारे में और उनकी क्लासेस श्री बालाजी स्पोकन के बारे में कुछ कहना चाहूँगी। उन लेडीज़ों के लिए जो बिल्कुल डर के जीती हैं या जिन्हें इंग्लिश का बिल्कुल नॉलेज नहीं है, वो डरती है कि हम कैसे सीखेंगे। कोई भी हाउसवाइफ हुई तो उनको प्रदीप सर से मिलना चाहिए कि वाकई में तारीफ काबिल बंदे हैं वो, और बिल्कुल एक टीचर की तरह तो नहीं कहूँगी, वो एक बिल्कुल अच्छे दोस्त की तरह बंदे को समझ के पढ़ाते हैं और बहुत अच्छी तरह इंग्लिश सिखाते हैं। आप यही देख लीजिए कि ये कहाँ थी और आज बिल्कुल कुछ भी नहीं। 20 साल से मैंने शायद किसी बुक को हाथ नहीं लगाया, राज सर ने मुझे इंग्लिश का इतना नॉलेज कराया है कि मैं सामने वाले की बात समझ सकती हूँ, सामने वाला क्या कह रहा है वो उसका कहीं थोड़ा जवाब भी दे सकती हूँ। मतलब इंग्लिश housewife as well as I learned English with Pradeep sir.
With Pradeep sir. So who is he?
He's an English trainer.
Yes. Okay. So tell me about Pradeep sir. How he teaches and
He's such a good trainer and he's such a good teacher of spoken English.
more about
Yes, I
Pradeep sir.
want to give a small message for all different ladies in Nagar. Whoever want to speak English, all ladies can join.
My name is Varun Ashwani. I am a student of Pradeep sir classes. I will speak English very frequently. If you want to also speak English very frequently, then you can come to Pradeep sir classes. So Pradeep sir is teaching very well. This is my friend. These classes will always fun with her. Okay, bye.
I go there for blessing of Maka.
You went to blessing of Maka.
Yeah.
So how was your day?
We can say it was an amazing day.
Okay.
We came to know about many people there in line. We used to talk to people from there.
Okay.
They are mostly from Maharashtra only.
Okay, there was too much crowd.
There is too much crowd. About 4 hours so we have to be there in a queue.
After Maka temple, then where did you go?
After Maka, so then I go to Mangalnath temple.
Then you went to Mangalnath temple.
Mangalnath is said to be king of all the planets.
Okay. Did you go Shipra river?
No, we are so late. We don't have time.
It was
Yes, this is not that.
No, it is not good. It is good because in lockdown time.
Let's say you live in Nagar.
okay. ऐसा नहीं है मैं इंग्लिश नहीं बोल सकता.
It's not water. It's not water. I can't.
Another is bad.
Milaksh is very good at English. So many yes, why not? Milaksh is also good and you are also good. So today, according to them, that I would like to some stories.
Yes.
If you are good at English, so would you like to any story according to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Acha, now tell me, did you ever speak a lot in your life?
No, sir. Yes, sir. First, sir, last week. Yes, you are every and in the our Agar also and in all over the India. There are the different type of formality. Because in our Agar the collector, that the IAS officer, the collector, they also take the different type of meeting in all over the month. My grandmother is also the government teacher, and they have the head part of the government teacher. Okay, and so they also go to different type of the meeting. But there are the in the that we live in Agar, and in the Agar the education teacher, the main education teacher of the government teacher, this the collector officer, the officer, they both take the meeting of the IAS officer, and the teacher who don't study as well.
I agree with you that high level officers are take the action against them, but they do not take it very on a highly. We can say they do not take didn't attract their attention towards.
I learned English.
Okay.
And after that, I speak fluency.
Okay. Do you want to speak fluently?
Yes.
Okay, don't be hesitant. When I joined your classes and when I take your classes, and that time it was your condition was poor, very poor
Very
and
poor,
too
sir.
weak, Now you are able to speak English,
Yes.
and now you are as well as you can understand everything that you can understand. Sometimes you speak English well
Because
and
of you.
because of me. Okay,
Yes.
thank you so much. And because ma'am, one thing we remember always.
Yes.
After classes, having taken classes, now you have to practice with your daughter.
Yes.
If you practice continuously with your daughter, then you may become very good speaker in English.
है ना, सिस्टम डिप्लोमा बोल जाएगा कौन सा डी अगला सीए वर्ड देखो क्या अगला इसको पढ़ के देखो
Corruption is a form of dishonesty or criminal offense undertaken by people or organizations